how to remove Instagram collaboration. Now let's get started with this video. First and foremost, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now you land in your home page. Now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from this bottom right corner. Once you land in your profile page, now scroll down and open up the post from where you would like to remove the collaboration from. Now once you open up the post and you get this interface, tap on this three dots icon along with that post. Now from this menu box, tap on edit option. Now you will get to edit info page. Here you can add location, add music, or add the caption, or add AI label. Now if you see on your left hand side, there is one option as tagged or one person. Tap on that icon. Now this will pop up all the collaborators that you have shared this post with. Now to remove that, simply tap on this cross icon along with that profile and then tap on tick mark from the top right corner. Now again tap on the tick mark from the top right corner. And with that, you have removed the collaboration from your Instagram post. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.